Here we have two convertibles that have seen better days at Dave's farm. Also the Taurus convertible, we called it the El Toromino. It didn't run this year, so it's done for too. So in Dave's farm typical style, all dead cars at Dave's farm must die a spectacular death at the hands of the mighty dozer and a beautiful woman. What's better than that, eh? You look pretty mean. Well, we need more than a whip to kill a car, so I think we can use the dozer instead. All right, let me show you how to work this thing. Okay. You ready? This makes it go faster, so you put your hand on it, move it over a little bit. Move it over and lift. Move it over and lift up. That's good. That's good for now. Okay, now put your feet on those pedals. And the other one. You've got some pretty nice shoes on for operating a dozer. Sweet. Have you ever operated a bulldozer before?
Oh, yeah.
You look like a redneck kind of woman who wants to learn. Okay, this makes the blade go up. So pull it back, pull, harder, harder. See, the blade is coming up now. Keep going till it's all the way up. There, perfect. Let go. Now this is forward, it's already in forward. This is first gear. It's already in first gear. So that makes it go forward. If you pull it back, it goes back.
Oh, so what about this way?
Yes, that's forward. Okay. This one makes you go. This is the clutch. Don't pull it yet. If you pull it, it starts to move. So I'm going to sit here, and you're going to try pulling it. It's really hard to pull. You might need two hands.
Oh, okay.
And then we're just going to do a practice. Okay. Two hands. You pull it till it clicks. Harder, harder. There. Okay, when you push forward, it stops. Pull again. But you pull it really hard, you feel it click.
Yeah, I see.
And, okay. Now we'll go backwards a little bit. Pull again. No, don't let go. Put your feet on the pedals. That's good. That's good. Pull hard. Okay. But when you're driving over the cars, you have to pull harder when you go over the car. Okay. So now we're going to go forward. Yeah, push this forward. All the way. There, that's good. Now wait till I get off. Okay, go! Go! I guess he's used to riding a horse. Well, that's an iron horse. Two hands! Yeah! Yummy.
Guess Dave had to help her a bit.
I need to give you a hug. Davidsfarmison!
Awesome! See what you did. Check out some carnage.
Wow, that's not too bad. We should go one more time a little lower, no? But
Maybe we can.
you have to fix them.
Have you ever crushed a car before?
No, never.
It's exciting, isn't it?
My old car to smash it like that.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a crazy adventure. See what's left.
Well, this is what you call serious carnage.
Money here. Some money.
There you go. Well, there is some money there.
Good luck.
Sweet.
Hot cup party, everybody.
Yep. Hugh Hefner definitely has nothing on me, baby.
And not forget hedonism, September 27. We're gonna take days. You
Cool.
wanna go with us?
Yes, that would be fun.
For you.
All right. Thank you for your excellent job. From Russia with love.
From Russia with love. Lots of love.